The magic of Christmas isn't just under the tree. It's in every step you take. Your staircase can become a festive focal point, glowing with twinkling lights, lush garlands, and beautiful details that make your home feel like a winter wonderland. From modern, minimalist styles to traditional greenery and ribbon-wrapped banisters, your stairs can tell the story of the season with every curve and sparkle. So grab your garlands, light up your railings, and let's create a staircase that leads straight to Christmas cheer. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your destination for elegant, affordable, and creative holiday inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring Christmas stair decoration ideas, cozy, modern, and magical ways to decorate your staircase and transform it into a show-stopping feature this holiday season. Why should you decorate your staircase for Christmas? Your staircase connects spaces in your home, making it the perfect spot to extend your Christmas decor. A beautifully styled stairway can tie your entire theme together and create a stunning transition between rooms. What are some classic Christmas staircase decoration ideas? You can never go wrong with lush green garlands, red ribbons, and warm fairy lights. Add pine cones, berries, and ornaments to enhance the look. It's timeless, elegant, and radiates festive tradition. If you love timeless Christmas looks, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends decorating their homes this season. How can I decorate a modern staircase for Christmas? Keep it simple and chic. Use white or metallic garlands, minimal fairy lights, and matte ornaments in silver, gold, or champagne tones. Add frosted greenery for a clean, sophisticated vibe. How can I create an elegant staircase garland display? Layer textures, mix faux greenery with eucalyptus, magnolia leaves, or snowy branches. Wrap it with soft ribbon, fairy lights, and metallic accents. The layered look adds depth, dimension, and elegance. Do you prefer classic red and green or modern metallic tones? Let us know in the comments below. What are the best garland on staircase ideas? Drape garlands loosely along the banister for a natural flow, or spiral them tightly for a structured look. Secure them with zip ties and hide the ties with ribbon bows or ornaments for a seamless, polished finish. How can I decorate stair railings with Christmas lights? Wrap warm white fairy lights around the garland, or alternate sections of light for a twinkling pattern. Battery-operated lights are great for a clean, cord-free look that keeps things elegant and safe. For more lighting and garland decor inspiration, check out our Christmas lighting and garland playlist linked below. How do I decorate a staircase banister elegantly? Combine greenery with satin or velvet ribbons in your chosen color palette. Add ornaments in matching hues for balance. Finish each end of the banister with a bow or hanging wreath for extra charm. What are some cozy and rustic staircase decor ideas? Use burlap ribbon, wooden ornaments, and plaid fabric for a farmhouse touch. Add small lanterns on steps or hang stockings along the banister for warmth and personality. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly cozy, creative, and budget-friendly holiday decor videos. How can I decorate the stair steps themselves? Place mini trees, wrapped gift boxes, or candles, battery-powered, along each step's corner. You can also line the steps with snowflake decals or fairy lights for a magical pathway effect. What's a great way to make stair decor look cohesive with the rest of your home? Match your staircase decorations to your overall Christmas theme. Use the same color palette, ornaments, and ribbons. Repeating patterns keeps the space visually connected and harmonious. Check out our holiday home tour playlist to see how stair decor ties beautifully with living rooms, mantels, and Christmas trees. How can I add personality to my Christmas stair decor? Incorporate family photos, monogrammed stockings, or personalized ornaments on the railing. These little touches make your staircase decor feel warm, welcoming, and uniquely yours. What's an easy DIY Christmas stair decoration idea? Use paper snowflakes, ribbons, and simple garland strands. Spray paint pine cones or ornaments for color consistency. You can even use leftover wrapping paper to create small hanging decorations. How can I make my staircase smell like Christmas? Add dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and pine-scented sprays to your garland. The fragrance brings instant holiday warmth to your home and enhances the entire experience. How can I make a grand staircase look stunning for Christmas? Go bold with oversized ornaments, cascading garlands, and statement bows. Use symmetry and layering for a designer-style finish that makes your entryway or foyer unforgettable. What's your dream staircase style? Grand and glamorous, or cozy and rustic? Tell us in the comments. How can I safely decorate stairs for Christmas? Avoid blocking walkways or steps. Keep decor to the edges and use battery lights instead of wires. Use non-slip mats or adhesive hooks for safety without sacrificing beauty. Your staircase is more than just a pathway. It's a centerpiece waiting to shine. Whether you love the sparkle of metallics, the coziness of farmhouse charm, or the elegance of a frosted winter theme, there's a way to make every step sparkle with Christmas magic. This holiday season, decorate your stairs with love, creativity, and joy, and let them lead the way to a home filled with warmth, laughter, and holiday spirit. If these Christmas stair decoration ideas inspired you, hit like and share this video with your holiday-loving friends. What's your favorite stair decor theme? Classic, modern, or rustic? Drop it below. Explore our Christmas garland and lighting playlist for more detailed tutorials. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday and seasonal home decor inspiration. Watch our Christmas mantle and entryway decor ideas linked below for full house inspiration.